What is up, guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a product review of HelloFresh. Okay, if you don't know what HelloFresh is basically a a food delivery service in a sense, in that they send you vegetables or meats in the mail, and then they give you recipes, and then you can make it with those vegetables and fruits that they send you. All right, so I specifically got the vegetable option, right? I just wanted to try that out, see how it is, see if it's worth it, and whether it's even if it's worth getting, basically. All right, so basically this is the box that it comes in. All right, it is pretty heavy, right? You can see the box says fresh here, and on the other side it says hello. Right, so it's advertised pretty well on it, right? And this cost around like $7. Let me just check. Yeah, $7 for shipping, and then $9 per serving. All right, and the box that I currently have is the 3-serving box. Okay, so I already have it open, and now let's check out what's inside. All right. So on top, it comes with like some kind of foam insulation, which is pretty good. It's not bad. It keeps the food cold or warm, whatever it is. All right, and I have the 3-meal one, and this is the first one: crispy, cheesy, and veggie fajitas. Okay, and it does seem like there's a little bit leaking in this one. The next one is harissa sweet potato pockets. Okay, this one seems to be wet from the other one that's leaking. And then the last one is cheese tortellini in mushroom sauce. Okay, so basically the thing is, every time they send you a package, it is different types of foods. Okay, so it's not always going to be these. So the next shipment that I get, or if I continue to continue getting these, there will be different foods every week. I mean, obviously there will be some repeated from time to time, but it will be mostly different. Okay. Which may be hiding under. So I guess on the bottom is the ice. Okay, that's just a cardboard separation between the food and these large ice packs. Okay, they have these 2 really large ice packs basically to keep the food cold. Okay, and they're really heavy. And this is, what is this? This is the cheese tortellini, basically. I'm assuming that comes with this cheese tortellini and mushroom sauce. All right. So basically that's what comes in the box, right? There's insulation all around. I'll show you guys in a bit. There's insulation on top, on the sides, on the bottom. It has 2 large ice packs, right? And yeah, that's basically what you get. And each bags over here have basically 1 recipe inside. All right. And the meal that I chose was 3 different meals for 2 people. All right, so I'm assuming one of these is enough for 2 people, okay, or well, it should be enough for 2 people. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna get, so let me just show you what's inside first, and then I'll cook it and basically show you, and afterwards to see how the food actually tastes, to see whether it actually tastes fresh or stale or something, something old. But yeah, let's go check it out. All right, guys, this is the cheese tortellini and mushroom sauce. Okay, so let's open that up and basically see what's inside this. All right, what is this? This is, I think that's French onion or scallions, it says on the bottom. All right, mushrooms, white mushrooms. 2 packs of white mushrooms. Okay, we have some garlic, and what is this? Italian seasoning. Okay, and then here's some cheese, and this is basically chili flakes. And last but not least, we have some more of this sauce and cream cheese spread. Okay, so basically this is what's included in the cheese tortellini mushroom sauce, and obviously can't forget this. We have this also. All right, so basically this is what it is. All right, here we have the harissa sweet potato pockets. Okay, and let's see what this includes. All right, we got some whole wheat pita bread. Again, some what is this? Dill and avocado. A potato, or is this a potato? It's a sweet potato. A cucumber, and what is this? Mayonnaise. 2 packs of mayonnaise. Peptis raw. Another sweet potato, which is a bit cut. Ginger. And 2 more things. And this is basically more harissa powder and white wine vinegar. All right, so basically this is what's included in this. All right, guys, this is the crispy, cheesy, and veggie fajitas. So let's just open that up and see what's inside. All right, so you can see there's quite a few inside, quite a few things inside. All right, first one, these are the flour tortillas, I should say. This is basically cilantro, a bell pepper, fajita spice blend, an onion, and what is this? Tabasco sauce. It's just some onion thing. And this is grilling cheese, Mediterranean style, and what else? Okay, and this is also something, I don't know what it is, but it does seem to be leaking. Okay, I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it does smell like some kind of cheese, maybe like cream cheese or something. I don't know, but that's basically what this is. Alright guys, I am back and I have just completed all 3 meals, and as you can see by the pictures, they do look really nice, right? So the preparation time for the recipes was around like 15 to 30 minutes, and it did take that long to make the food. Okay, so it didn't take longer or less than that. It was in the appropriate range that they said it would take, right? And so that's definitely a good thing, right? So you know what you're expecting, how long it's going to take. And another thing I noticed is that the recipes don't actually come with the meal. You have to actually go online and Google it to find the recipes. Or, I mean, it's on their website basically to view the recipes and the ingredients. And all the ingredients they give you are enough, but there are a few specific ingredients that they don't include, and you have to have it yourself. So for example, like I believe olive oil or salt and pepper, right? And I believe butter also, but you know, I guess those are items that everyone would have in their house, right? But they should still, I guess, let you know beforehand that it's not included, right? So that was the only other thing that I guess didn't really like. But in terms of the final product of the actual food, I think they came out really well. They tasted amazing, and you know, if I had to do it again, I definitely would, right? So in terms of serving size, it was enough for 2 people, right? More than enough. All right, so there wasn't ever a time where it felt like, oh, this is not enough, right? Or it won't fill me up. But yeah, so 2 people, the serving size is appropriate that they say. But in terms of, I guess, overall, I do really think that this is a really good service. And in terms of the food that they give, it's really good. It tastes good. It seems fresh, right? You know, the ingredients are well put together, right? And yeah, so also for the price, it's not bad. Obviously, that would depend on your situation about the price, but for me, I think it's pretty decent, and I will continue to use this service in the future. All right, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any more questions or comments about this, that you know, or a specific thing I didn't go over that you would like me to talk to you about, leave it down in the description below. I would love to get back to you guys and give you more information about it. And if you like the video, make sure to like it. If the video helped you in any way, like it, make sure to subscribe. It really helps us also. And yeah, I will see you guys next time, and FNH out.